Hey everyone, I'm here live at BLFC, and I thought now would be the perfect time for me to show you how to interact with the people you look up to in 6 easy steps. So, let's get right into it. Step 1 is, of course, you're going to need to meet them at the con. Now, this is easier if it's a con that you drove to, because that will come in handy later on.
Keep your distance when you first see them, because they may be heading to a panel or the headless lounge, and you don't want to interrupt.
Step 2. Approach them when given the chance. Don't be too dramatic here, because you might scare them away.
This is necessary for you to make a good first impression. It's also important not to interrupt them when they're meeting with their friends.
Step 3. Create a diversion.
Think about what you want to say. If you brought your car, you can offer to drive them to a nearby restaurant for dinner.
Hey, you dropped your bag.
Oh my god.
Step 4. Take control of the situation. Step 5. Express your demands. I want you to follow me back on Twitter. Step 6. Make your escape. Now no one will come between you or your senpai ever again.
Make sure they're comfortable during the ride.
Follow these steps and it will guarantee you have a great experience meeting those you look up to. Now go out there and have a great first convention. And I'll see you at BLFC.